to my channel. It's Viva Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So guys, as you can see by today's video, I am going to be doing a really quick tutorial on how to achieve realistic freckles. If you guys don't follow me, or if you're new to my channel, I do have freckles. I have natural freckles, but they're not like these freckles. They're not like over exaggerated. Mine's are just like basically right here. So I'm just gonna basically show you guys how to achieve realistic looking freckles in like a quick second, instead of like dotting on your face and stuff like that. This is the easiest way to do it. So we're going to be using L'Oreal's Root Cover Up, and I have the shade medium brown. I actually seen this technique from Instagram, but I want to do my own video because I'm a different skin color and it's going to look different on everybody. So I'm going to be doing this video for you guys. So yeah, I'm using the shade medium brown. I got this from Walmart. It was like $9.88, which is fine because like I'm obsessed with freckles, even though I have them myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna basically show you guys how to achieve freckles using this Root Cover Up spray. You're basically gonna just be spraying this on your face, but you're not gonna be pressing it hard, like you're squeezing it super hard. You're just gonna like basically tease it, and you always wanna make sure you shake it up before you do this. So you shake it up and then you press really super light, and it's gonna kind of spit out at you. So it's gonna spit out in dots, and that's gonna create the realistic freckle look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve the fake freckles, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna hop right into the video. As you guys can see, I changed my shirt because this is like my at-home shirt. Was actually one of my husband's shirts, but I didn't want to dirty up that nice white French top that I had. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this shirt while I am applying this. So I'm just gonna take the top off, and I'm gonna spray a little bit on the paper towel so that like I know how hard to press down. Like, see, if you guys see, if you press down too hard, you're gonna get that. But if you press down lightly, you get like a mist, like a spit, like that. And that's exactly what we want. So let's get into this before the baby starts crying. If I mess this up, then I mess up my entire face, so I'm trying not to do that. And I'm trying not to get it in my hair also, so. Can you guys see? Lightly. I did so much on one side. So I did a lot on this side, so I have to do this side now. I don't know why I did that, but. So this is how the freckles came out. I like the way this side came out, and this side came out like different. I don't really know why. Like I sprayed it around, but it only went mostly on this side. These are like tiny little freckles, and these are bigger. I like this side better. Maybe you guys will like this side better, but I'm really dramatic, so I like this side. But yeah, that's how it looks, guys. Super cute, and it looks like friggin' natural as heck. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Like it. If you love the video, then subscribe to my channel, guys. See you guys next time, and remember, I post on every Friday, so be sure to become a part of the notification gang and you will never miss one of my videos, guys. So until next time, have a lovely night. Bye guys.